Hey, this is Chronos again with another video, and in this video I'm just promoting my group for the clothing group, and it's called Sky Crew. Let me load that up. But basically, I'm promoting the shirt series that I'm creating. It is called the Immortal Sword series. So I'm creating every single Immortal Sword out there. And the way I'm going to be doing it isn't, I'm not going to just copy image, take a screenshot and then paste it on the back. Nope. I'm going to be creating the actual image. I'm going to be drawing it out and then putting it on the shirt and then sewing it. So I've been testing it already. I think that it will work the way the shirt is going to work, but the way this series is coming out is going to be limited time on sales, meaning the discount. Right? It's going to be, when it comes out, it's going to be flat $5. And then, let's say once, for example, imagine this is just the first series. When I update the first one, it's 5. And then what happens is, I update the next one. Then they're both 5. On the third one, when I update it, when I load it up, the first one becomes off sale. It goes off sale, right? And then the fourth one comes up. The one that was previously 2 updates before, will go off sale, and then so on and so forth until you reach the last one, and then it start going off. But usually I'll probably do it I skip like one every day. So like a week, there will probably be 3 or 2. So you have a little bit of time just to get enough, but it's really cheap, so it wouldn't be so expensive. However, I'm planning to create, you can wait for the next series, which is the same thing, but I'm gonna do a series of it going down to the pants. So it going from the top right corner, like on the back. Imagine that's the back. It goes down from there all the way to like your waist. So I'm gonna create the shirt with the pants, and not just the shirt, because the shirt is kind of small. Kind of just go from here to here on the back. But besides from that, right now I'm doing my Dominus series, and it's a pretty nice set. I've got them. If I click on it, my favorite. I say this one is pretty well done. This one is my first series. My first, actually, it's not my first. It's my second created, so it's not necessarily really good. But this one is a lot better, in my opinion. It got bought once. So this one is the second version, basically. The third version. It's just version 1. What the version means is, in this creation, how many times did it take me to upload it before it became really good. So version 1 means that when I created the shirt, I uploaded and it's perfect and I like it. If it's not perfect, let's say if there's a white line right there, I will have to re-edit and then upload it again. Then it'll be version 2. That doesn't change the cost of anything unless if it's past version 10. That means that I spent so much time on the shirt just to get it perfect that I'm overselling. Usually when I oversell, I sell it for like 15. Actually, oversell is like 7 for me. But usually original shirts, like non-copies, because you can go on Google and copy anything and paste it on. But yeah, these are original artworks from me. I've created these artworks. I know it's not perfect. This one is a little bit messed up, but I still like it. It's overall good. But yeah, I am promoting this. I've already said that, but I'm going to say it again, promoting my group. and please join it. I know I don't get much views, but like, I think in the future, once I hit like, I don't know, like 500 members or customers, I'm probably gonna start like doing like giving out, I wouldn't say, maybe giving out Roblox. Like, once I get enough buys and once I get enough customers, like, then I'll probably start making shirts and having people guess for it. And if they guess correctly, they get Roblox, and like maybe like 7, because you get 5 out of that, and you can buy a shirt if you want. I don't know, but that's just for the future. And I'm also looking to recreate the image, because this is only halfway. If you look at it, see how big the actual image is? I'm missing halfway. And I've deleted the image, so I don't have it anymore. Anyways, peace out, have fun, play the game, finish that stupid 1-player event, Ready Player One. Bye.